What can I optimize in 30 minutes to make Amazon PPC more profitability on a product size? And this is something that you can see on the Amazon Ad Console. If you're going to switch to product and how much do you advertise for each product, you can see how much ad spend and also what is the ACoS on the product level. And this is something that you can do from the Ad Console. So it's a tip that I'm giving you that does not require any additional tool. And noticing is that most of the time you might be spending lots of money on things that are not launches, or there's no other special strategy behind, but it's just bleeding money. So that is something that you could look into and pause. The next thing is that many of the brands that whenever we're auditing accounts, many of the brands have multiple products added within the one campaign that most of them are not making money and they're still on. So those would be disabled. The third thing that I'm seeing is having products that are different in price. Giving you an example, if one product is, let's say that you're adding auto catalog in a campaign, just to see how it's going to perform. And typically this is a strategy for low ACoS campaigns. However, usually it's not going to turn out to be that, is that adding products that, for example, one is $5, the other one is $50. Now, for those, you're going to get a blended ACoS that is going to be untrue. Because, for example, for the $50 product, it might be profitable for you for running ads, but the $5 product, you're always not profitable for it, and that is taking away from the budget. I say these 3 techniques or tips, if you're going to apply them, it should take less than 5 minutes for you to make your ads more profitable. And this has nothing to do with adding negatives and so on. This is just literally pausing things that are not working.